Wow, she's a big one. Check her out, guys. Check her out. Hello. She's got a big belly. It's gonna come in handy, huh? During the barbecues. And then we've got this brown cow here. Yeah, she looks like she's kind of depressed, man. Who'd you lose, huh? Yeah, you look like a woman who's kind of lost her hubby or something. The black widow, huh? In your case, the brown widow. Cool. This guy just farted, I think. Hello. Sign out, guys. Yeah, there's that siren again. I'm going now, okay? You gotta stop the siren now. Ah. I think he's in pain or something. The goat at the back is like sniffing his legs. That's why he's crying out with pain or something. See you guys. Bye.